Are you making eggs? Okay, here's another one. Ready? Our dirty counter. Okay, let's see it. Show Mommy how you cook.
Right there,
Okay, in the bowl. In the bowl. All right.
2 years old and he does it one-handed.
Future chef.
Oh, now he's got to mix it.
Now you got to mix it. Good boy.
Okay, that's good. Do another one.
You gonna be the next master chef? Okay. Now use your thumbs.
We got baked everything.
That's all right. Yay!
Yay! Do another one.
One-handed even. Are you the next chef, Ramsey?
Mama,
I know. You're making eggies, yeah. All right. Hey, how many eggs are we gonna make?
Mama.
I know. You did so good. Okay, on the bowl. Crack it. No, crack it on the bowl.
Okay, put it in a bowl.
Oh, what you doing?
2 eggies.
Two eggies. Okay, let's.
Oh, no. Oh, Jackson, careful, baby.
Uh-oh, 2 at a time, Dad.
Oh,
2 at a
no.
time. No. Yep, okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, good. Woohoo! No, on
not
the
in the
side.
egg,
On the side of the
baby.
bowl.
He's just going to try to push his hand right through it.
Okay, use both your hands. Woo!
Okay, mix it up a little bit, and
Nice
we're all done, okay?
job. Okay, say breakfast time.
And then you go into the bathroom with Mommy and wash your hands.
Now we gotta go wash your fingers, okay? Good job.
All right, that's good job. Thank you. Go wash your hands with Mommy. Ready?
Daddy, doing.
Go wash your hands with Mommy.
Daddy, doing.
Oh, no.